Hi, to customize button shortcuts on Amazfit T-Rex free watch, as a first step, swipe left to open Apps menu and here select Settings. Now we would need to scroll a bit down to find Preferences tab, choose it, and then scroll down again to find Shortcut buttons. Now also select it. And after that, we can customize shortcut button. So, first section is long press select button, which is located right here. Tap it and here you'll see some options. As you can see, we got quite a lot of them, so you can go through this list and check which ones suit you the best. For example, with the help of long pressing selective button, you can turn on alarm. Or just pick something else from the list. I picked this like Zap Flow, which is like Google Assistant but like Zap Assistant. We can go and press select and here also choose something, for example workout. Then for long press up button we can set something from the list. Let's set to measure heart rate and use this back button to save changes. And for pressing down button, which is located right here, we can also find something, for example, timer. And now we just customize shortcut buttons. So let's test it. I'm gonna press down button and timer triggers immediately. Let's long press up button. And yep, now we can measure heart rate. Let's long press selective button. And now we got this voice assistant. And when we press in selective button once, we can pick something from the list. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.